right, so we're 7 months in, and a lot has gone on. I know I say that in every video because every video, a lot has gone on. So a lot has happened, and it looks a lot different. Maybe not as much as other months, but we got a lot done this month. We definitely got a lot more walls painted. The trim is pretty much done in most rooms. The windows have all been done. It was a lot, and there was a lot of like problems that we ran into. The walls were not friendly as far as having flush trim. It was We had to do a lot of sanding and adjusting. Well, by we I mean Chuck did a lot, uh, and I paid him to do it. But yeah, the floors upstairs are basically done. But when we went to do the hallway, the halfway down the hallway, it kind of like curved up, and then the main beam of the house, and then it went back down, and you could visibly see the only thing we could have done was put a break and had a threshold, but we decided to just cut the floor out and re-level the floor, which was a whole process. It set us back about a week, but it was worth making it flat up there. I mean, if you got to the top of the steps and it was like all, that says a lot about a house and how, craftsmanship and how things were done. If you see that in the hallway, you're going to think like, oh, well, he half-assed everything in here. So it's kind of important. And to make the house look nice as it is compared to what it used to look like, it was a lot of work so far. It cost a lot of money because its original state, everything needed done, everything. And looking back at like my old footage, I feel like I'm at a pivotal moment here at 7 months, because technically it's not October yet. It is the 30th right now. And I wanted to have the downstairs floor done, but it's a matter of a day now where it's going to get started. So next month for sure you're going to see all the floors done and all the baseboard. But upstairs a lot of the baseboard's not done in the small bedroom and a couple other places because the floor's not completely done yet. So little odds and ends need done, and then the doors need to be put on, and then that's my goal for the end of next month. I just want to have doors on, all trim painted, and then I want to move on to the next, try to get the den done and some other things. But yeah, let's go walk through. Okay. 7 months is a wrap. A lot going on in here. It's going to be a lot different looking than last month. I mean, the walls weren't even painted. We got crown molding all throughout. Finally drywalled that. The windows are all done. Everything still needs painted. The trim all still needs painted. It's getting dark, so I apologize. But yeah, the windows, that wall, I kind of forget like what all was done last month as opposed to this month. But yeah, I mean, crown molding, a lot of messing around. We still have to paint like these two walls, and then we're gonna move on to, let's go upstairs. Nothing's changed in the kitchen or anything. Everything's still kind of the same. The doors, that's all that's left of the trim. We're getting somewhere here. So all right, as you can see, we have floor pretty much. I mean, it's literally one plank left that needs to be cut and put in. But yeah, it got done, and there was there's another window done. Crown molding. He's going to do the base trim after the floor is completely done. But yeah, it's a crazy difference. This down here, I'm going to cut to what we had to do, but it was ridiculous. I mean, the floor went up, like up and then back down across that hump, because that's the main beam of the house, and that's the house was a little shifty, you know, over the years. So he straightened this all out. It's completely level now. It's perfect, and he had to cut half the step out. I mean, it was a lot of work. It set us back 2 or 3 days, but it's done all the way into the closet there, which eventually we're going to paint these closets too. That's going to be after the doors are hung. But this room is always, you know, is what it is. It's been done pretty much. In this room as well. I'm gonna have to put thresholds along these 2 doors because it's a little bit of a step up, unfortunately, but it is what it is. It will be okay. But man, I can't wait to see this all just blend. But yeah, we are getting there. So this week, starting tomorrow, this is all going to be cleared out, and he's going to start the subflooring, and then he's going to start laying the floor throughout both rooms. And yeah, he already started like scraping stuff up and like, but yeah, this is going to be between tomorrow and the next day. We'll see. I'm excited, but yeah, we'll leave it at that. I mean, there's not much else to report on. All right, so that is where we're at. Tried to make it quick. I'm trying not to take too much time on these videos because I just think it's neat to document this so that I can go back and look at it someday and see month by month. I kind of do the same walkthrough each time so I can compare it. I love seeing the progress. It's very exciting. We're getting there, guys. It's been a long 7 months, a lot of money spent. I don't even know how I did it. I get when there's a will, where there's a will, there's a way. Whatever. You know, I just been nonstop on this because I can't rest until it's finished. So that's where we're at. Next month's, you know, goals are going to be very. I'm not trying to push for. I thought I was going to have the floors done within the first 2 months. I was so naive and out of it, but I'd like to see by next month, by the end of next month, floors trim painted and doors on, and start to get closets wrapped up. You know, the closets need done, and have the inside wrapped up minus the bathroom and kitchen. And then I want to have the den. I don't know if it'll be done by the end of next month, but I would really, that's really what I'm shooting for. So thanks for watching, and you know, I appreciate those of you that are interested and want to keep up with this, you know, boring renovation. But it's not boring to me because I'm so into it and I'm so excited about it. But hopefully we can make some real progress this next month and kind of wrap up the inside, and then the winter months we can focus on the tattoo shop, the kitchen, and the bathroom, and then we can start moving furniture in there, which is going to be crazy. But all right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.